Good morning students, let's draw a waterfall with oil pastel color. Here first we will have to draw a few outlines like stones and waterfall. We will have to draw. Just watch carefully, it's very easy to draw. Here I am going to darker this line for better understanding. But you people have to draw very light drawing, okay? Now it's time to fill color. First we will have to use dark blue color. Watch carefully where you have to apply. Now it's time to use light brown color. Again watch carefully where you have to apply this one. Now it's time to use orange color. Watch carefully where you have to apply this one. Now again we will have to fill light brown color. Now it's time to use sky blue color on top and white we will have to use and yellow color. Watch carefully. Now it's time to use dark brown color. Now it's time to merge all the colors with help of tissue paper. Watch carefully. Now it's time to use black color. We will have to show somewhere dark. That's why we will have to use this black color and later on we will have to merge this color with tissue paper. Watch carefully. Now here draw trees with purple color. You can take dark brown color if you want to take. Now it's time to use dark green color for showing leaves. Like this way we will have to apply this color, and light green and yellow color overlay we will have to apply like same way. Now remove the masking tape and our drawing is ready. Thank you for watching.